Hello guys, I'm Meet Patel and welcome to Coding with Meet. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Android Studio in your Windows 10 computer. So first open a web browser and in the search bar type Android Studio. Now click on download Android Studio and again click on download Android Studio. So before downloading the Android Studio, you must agree to the following terms and conditions. So to agree the following terms and conditions, scroll down and check this checkbox. And now click on download Android Studio for Windows. So Android Studio has started downloading. It will take few minutes, so I'm fast forwarding up till it is downloaded. As you can see, the Android Studio has successfully downloaded, so double click on Android Studio IDE.exe. Android Studio setup has been launched, so first click on next button. Here, if you want the virtual mobile phone to be installed with Android Studio, check the Android virtual device box and then click on next button. From here, you can select the Android Studio installation location. Once you have selected, click on the next button. Now click on install. In few minutes, the Android Studio will be installed. Android Studio has installed successfully, but it is not completely installed. So click on next button and now click on the finish button. Now if you are installing Android Studio for the first time, then keep it as it is and click on OK button. Now click on the next button. I prefer the standard installation, so click on standard and then click on the next button. Select the theme you like and then click on the next button. Now click on finish button. Few things will be downloaded and installed automatically, so it will take few minutes. Everything is done without an error, so now click on the finish button. Now the Gradle installation is remaining, so click on create new project. Select empty activity and click on the next button. From here you can give a name to your Android project. You can also specify the location where you want to save your project. From here, you can select the language you want to work on. From here, you can select the minimum SDK level on which your application will run. After this, click on the Finish button. Here you can see the Gradle has started downloading. Few other tools will also be downloaded and installed automatically, so it will take few minutes. Here you can see every process is completed. Android Studio is ready to be used. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos.